Red lights flashing. Forgot you needed a ref. Oh, way too keen for me. Oh, good. If you need to go either side, that's absolutely fine by me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Come on, Bournville! Go boys, let's go boys!
We good?
Spread out! Who's with me? Yeah, Johnny. Numbers out, yeah? We've won it, we've won it, we've won it!
Tackle release! That's okay, that just collapsed down, we'll take that as it is.
Green gin, 5 mile green gin! Ones, numbers, practice, all day. Unless you say.
On the line, on the line, on the line. Just off the fingers there for the 9.
Good try, boys. Good try. Next go. From the off, boys, from the off. Twos, please.
Okay, gentlemen, make it good, yeah? Crouch! Bind! Set!
Ready! And 63! Go! Help him, help him! Yeah, get over, get over! Good, Jack. Good, Steve. Charge!
It's unlucky.
Yeah, boys! Far. Yeah, here we do it. Go left.
It's unlucky. It's just a knock-on advantage. Still a knock-on advantage. Okay. That was just a knock-on advantage there. Just playing a knock-on advantage.
We played it.
There's your mark. Was it you weren't calling sir, were you? Someone who's calling sir? No? Okay, it must have been good then. Okay, gentlemen, let's go. Seconds in, please.
Fourth lead. Yeah, twos, please.
Coach! Bind! Set!
Ready? No! Pause 8! Open! Go!
That's part of the tackle!
Yes!
Okay, it's unlucky. It's a knock on in the tackle. That's all.
Happy, we're good. Great pass, Craigie.
I thought it was off his arm. I thought it was off your arm.
Make sure we start left with it. Make sure we start left with him off. Cook right across it so we head on.
Okay. Well, that's for you to sort out, isn't it, between the two of you? Come on.
I've got blind.
Yeah. I'm always looking for it. Always looking for it.
Just say what.
Yeah.
Second.
You're good. You need to go back a sec. Well, that's it. Fine. Crouch. Bind. Set.
1, 2, 3.
Low pick, get low pick. Get it out. Stephen, go. Stephen, go.
Part of the tackle, leave it alone.
Carry.
Musa.
Yes, no worries.
Ready. Yeah.
He's away, he's clear. Part of the tackle, leave it alone, 18. If you're part of the tackle, you need to leave it alone, gentlemen. Tackle release! Back feet, yes. He's away, he's good. It's all good, let him out, let him out.
There you go. Got one on. Let it go.
Options, 22 or scrum.
We'll take 22. Yeah, 22. Take 22.
He called 22.
Second row, pop off.
You're 22.
Second row.
Stay behind the kicker.
Come on. Hurry. That's loud.
It's a thunderer.
Good, Luke, give me that one.
It's your mark, yeah? All good, thank you.
Over! Check! Over! Hold it. Yeah, good.
Okay, that was just not straight, that's alright.
Yeah.
Your line out, Bournville, or a scrum here? It's a scrum.
Check for laces, sir.
Sorry, say again.
Check for laces, please.
Yeah, sure.
Let's do it for you.
Shouldn't laugh, should I? Time's still running, gentlemen, for that. Okay, let's go. You're good, don't encroach.
Second. Please. Yeah.
Crouch! Bind! Set!
No, 2, 3! Out left! Yes, Eddie! Come on! Get rid, Aaron! Get rid! Get rid! Get rid, Aaron! Kick it! Hold that, hold that.
Release him! That's outside! Outside!
Head that drummers, head that rock.
Still outside, no tackle, no ruck.
Still outside.
All onside, all onside, all onside.
Yeah, I'm outside you guys. Sorry, sir, sorry.
That's all right, I'll be out of your way, don't worry.
No. Work out. Handball, hold him up now. Hold him up. Holding. Yeah!
You're part of the tackle, you were part of the tackle, you can't do that. But that's okay. They didn't win. Ball's out.
Number up.
He's off his feet now, you're off your feet.
Yeah. Get up. Yeah. Go, Shane. Go now.
Leave it now, Yellow. I'll have to rely on you. I can't see in the sun.
Oh, sorry, mate.
All right, I just can't see in the sun, so thank you for that.